Digitalization. Now, Scalextric say you can digitalize your car in less than 60 seconds. And I know what you're thinking. Is that possible? In this video, I'm going to find out. Got my donor car, got my test track, got my screwdrivers, got my chip. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. First thing is to get the little chip out of the packet. Instructions, don't need that. So already 10 seconds in, haven't got the chip out of his back box yet. Oh, this is time consuming. Right, so give it in this nice little anti-static bag. So there's the chip ready to be fitted. Here's the car. You can pick up my screwdriver. You can tell it's a dummy because it hasn't got the little infrared chip in there. Don't lose that screw. Unplug it. Make sure you pull the plug, not the cables, because it will pull them out. God, it's pretty difficult to get these out. Right, plug in the chip. And put the little wire in. Program it. There we go. How long was that? Minute 15. Not bad. I spent a lot of time getting it out of the packet. So is it possible to digitalize your car in 67? Probably, with practice. I didn't manage it, but minute 15 is not bad.